Hey, have you ever wanted to create a live stream that just runs 24/7 without you having to constantly check in, manage it, or restart things? A simple, hands-off way to share content with the world anytime people tune in? Runnel.live has built a super simple tool that lets you stream non-stop 24/7 for just $6 a month per stream. Here's how it works. Sign up on Runnel.live, add your stream key from YouTube or any other platform, upload your videos, even choose to shuffle them if you like. Then with one click, you're live. That's it. No complex setup, no servers to manage, just your content, always on, streaming the way you want. It's perfect for sharing music, spreading your message, or keeping viewers engaged all day and night without lifting a finger. Whether you're a creator, a brand, a community, or just someone with an idea, Runnel will help you bring it to life. And if you're on a budget, you can get started by adding as little as $1 to your account. So head over to Runnel.live, sign up, upload your content, and go live in minutes. It's streaming made simple and seriously affordable.